Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to tackle on how to convert octal numbers to decimal numbers. And these are the steps that we take. Step number one, you write down the number. Step two, you write its respective place value starting from the left. Step three, you multiply each digits with its respective place value. And the last step is to add the product, then write you write the answer in the base 10. Remember, this one is supposed to be base 10 because we are trying to convert octal to decimal. Okay, having done that, let's now dive to the actual example. Whereby this is our example where we have 3736 base 8. So the number is 7. Okay, bold. We have 7, 3, and 6. So we have said that step number one is to write down the number, then you write the position. The position is 0. You always count, you start counting from the right hand side, sorry for that. Then this is 1, and this is 2. Then the place value. This is supposed to be base 8, raised to power 2, which is 64. While this one is 8 raised to power 1, which is 8. And lastly, we have 8 raised to power 0, which is 1. Having done that, move to the next part, which is to multiply. To multiply the place value with the numbers. So for this one, we have 64 multiplied by 7, add 8 multiplied by 3, add 1 multiplied by 6. So this is a 7 multiplied by 64 should give us a 448 plus 24 plus 6. 448 plus 27 plus 6 should give you 478. 78 base 10. So that is our answer. So the octal, which is this one, when you convert it to decimal, it will be equivalent to 478. Hope you have been able to understand that. Okay, let's move to our next example. Our next example, we have 124 base 8. So I will give you time to do this one, then we can do it together. Maybe 2 minutes, I think, are enough. So step number one, write down the number, followed by the position, and lastly the place value. So as you continue to do the task or the question, don't forget to subscribe and also to like. And in case you have any question, you can write it down on the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as I see your question. Okay, let's go to the number, which is 1. This is let me try to board this one. So we have 1, 2, and 4. The position is 0, 1, and 2. The place value of this one is 8 raised to power 2, which is 64. Well, this is 8 raised to power 1, which is 8. And the last part, which is 8 raised to power 0, should be 1. Okay, having done that, the next step is to multiply the place value, the answer that you have gotten, the place value, multiplied by the number. Okay, so we have 6. We have 4 multiplied by the number plus 8 multiplied by the number, which is 2, plus 1 multiplied by the 4. This is 64 plus 16 plus 4. 64 plus 16, that's supposed to give us 80, plus 4 should give us 84. So the answer is 84 base 10. So the octal 124 converted to decimal will be equivalent to 84 base 10. Okay, I hope up to that point we have together. Okay, let's assume that we have a number that has two parts, the integral and the fractional. Remember, the integral is the part that is on the left hand side, where the fractional is the number of the point which is on the right hand side. So in case you come across a number with both integral and fractional, this is how you go about the whole thing. So as usual, step number 1, you write down the number. This is let me introduce another. Okay, sorry for that. I have to draw this so that I can have a point. So we have 1, 2.5. The position of 2 before the point is supposed to be 0, while the position of 1 is supposed to be 1. The position of 5, which is now the fractional part, should be -1. Okay, get the place value. The place value of this one is 8 raised to power 0, which is equivalent to 1. This is 8 raised to power 1, which is equivalent to 8. Well, on this one is 8 raised to power -1, which is equivalent to 1/8. Which is equivalent to 0.125. Okay, having that, the next step is to multiply the place value multiplied by the number. Our place value is we have 8 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2. Then we have the point. Let me try to separate this one like that. We have the point on this point. Then we have 0.125 multiplying by 5. So this is a 8 plus 2, which is 10. Then we have the point here. Okay, for this one, multiplying by 5 should give you 0.625. So we have this is a 2, 5. Then you add the 2, which is a 10.00 plus 0.625, we should give you 10.625. Therefore, the answer for this one will be 10.625 base 10. So those are the solution for 3 cases. So I think that is enough. It will give you a rough idea on how to convert an octal number to a decimal number. I think the steps are quite straight. You will not strain yourself trying to get the answer. Okay, for the next case, we will try to compare other conversions. If you look at my previous video, I've shown you on how to convert a binary to hexadecimal. So in the next class, I'll show you on how to do more conversion. So don't miss to get to see my next video. I hope that you will be able to learn something. Thank you for taking time to watch the video. If you have any question, if you have liked my work, don't forget to subscribe, ask the question in the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you and bye bye.